Hello friends, today I present the new topic of DNB counseling for post MBBS seats 2020. The very important thing I want to discuss here is as we all know, DNB counseling dates are announced, and many of the students who fall in the rank segment, especially between the 10,000 rank to 50,000 rank, they are very eagerly waiting for the DNB post MBBS seats. Yes, my dear friends, but you should know where the DNB is fruitful for you. Yes, my dear friends, all DNB seats are not equivalent to all of you. It is very important that which DNB seat is fruitful for you and which DNB seat is not fruitful for you. So, uh, DNB in the corporate hospitals is much better or equivalent to the MDMS seats in any hospital across India. Yes, my dear friends, this is the bitter truth, and how this thing is truth that I am going to explain in my video. So in DNB, in hospitals where workload is not so much, in that case you must go for the MDMS seats from any institute across India. Mind it, where the workload is not so much, in that case you must go for MDMS from any institute in India. Now the question is, how can you broadly differentiate between the fruitful DNB seeds and non-fruitful DNB seeds? It's my personal opinion, as simply we can differentiate or we can broadly classify the DNB seats into two parts: the one which are falling in the metro cities and the one uh, which are located in the tier 2 cities hospitals. So first we discuss about the metro cities. So in metro cities there are corporate hospitals where you got the decent setup, so ample of new things are there for learning for you, so you must go for it without seeing anything, as this is the best thing. You learn new and new innovative things. But in the tier 2 cities, it is more or less like a gamble where you may not experience the new things. More or less, I already say that it is a gamble for you. So, better to avoid it if you have options in the state, all India, NRI quota, etc. etc. So, this is what I broadly say. But exceptions are there, my dear friends. Exceptions are there. There may be a good hospital working in the tier 2 city also. But if we see broadly, then this is the scenario that metro cities have the better setup, and you have ample of new things to learn. So before choice filling, it is very important that you must inquire about every hospital and never ever compromise your allotted MDMS seat for the DNB seat. Yes, my dear friend, many of the friends are going to do these types of mistakes, that they will surrender their MDMS seat for the DNB seat. No, my dear friend, this is not good as per my personal opinion. So now what about the 6 years program of DNB? As you all know, there are some courses in cities where 6 years program are running, and minded friends, it will be hectic for you to indulge in that particular field for 6 years, as mostly these branches are of surgical nature. So if you choose MS General Surgery, you have the options after 3 years to go in the variety of fields. As you all know, as 3 years is a long time, so your mind setup may change, and finally it will be finalized after 3 years that in which stream you want to go. But suppose if you choose plastic surgery, in that DNB 6 years program, then you have to be a plastic surgeon entirely dependent on that private hospital. Either they give you ample of cases or not. So you are completely dependent on that private hospital, that either they will give you the ample of cases or not. So that will decide your future, and you are also going to spend 6 years in the same private hospital, whether it is going to be fruitful for you or not. So my dear friends, conclusion is that don't compromise your MDMS seat for your DNB seat. Select the DNB seat as per the profile of the respective hospital. First, study the profile of that respective hospital, then you will select the DNB seat. In spite of selecting the wrong hospital, it's much better to give you time once again, as you all want to be a good doctor, not a doctor having degree on page. So, my dear friends, I think that you must got my point. Rest all up to you. Thanks and all the best to you.